Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML responsive website. And right now we'll be discussing about responsiveness using width property from the CSS. So right now let's get going. Responsive images are images that scale nicely to fit any browser size. That is, that scale nicely to fit any browser size using the width property. If the CSS width property is set to 100%, the image will be responsive and scale up and down. So let me show you how this works quickly. In our image tag, let's show our document. Right now we are having this document is empty, and get back to the code. The code also inside our body here, we are having empty something here. Now let's bring in an image. Let's use our image tag. I'm having one avatar image. Let's use it. When I save this, you are going to see the 100% width of this image. Can you see? This is the full width, the full width and height. The normal size of this image is this. Now let's check the responsiveness using mobile view. Now as you can see, it's not responsive. It's not responsive. As you can see, the right side here, the image is inside there. As you can see, only the left side here we can see the white screen, but by the right here the image is inside. So now we want to control the responsiveness. The responsiveness using the width means when you use the width, the image is going to be, when we scale like this, now when we scale the image like this, or when we do like this, the image will take over the whole screen, which is 100%. The size of the image is going to take what? So for instance, let's specify width 100%. Let's use style attribute. Inside the style attribute, let's use width and let's give it 100%, so you can see what I'm talking about. So when we reload this now, can you see it took the normal width 100%? Can you see height and width, width and height, everything is 100% now using the normal size on the mobile view. And also it will do the same thing as well with the laptop view or iPad view. It will take the full width, the 100% width and height. It will take it. That's what you are seeing there. Let's say for instance now we said it should take after the width 100%, we say height 100%. Just imagine when we say height 100%. That's how you are going to know what is going to happen. Now let's reload this. Can you see the height is not showing, but just imagine when we open it up like this, can you see it's just the same thing. So the height is not compulsory right here. That's what you should know. But one thing you can do to it, you can, if you still want to specify, you can just put auto. So but right now we are not talking about the height here, we are talking about the width specifically. So whenever you use the width, you always remember that it will scale up to the full size of the screen. As you can see, it try to fit in. It try to fit in the main this screen right here. It try to fit in, and it try to fit in the second the laptop width also. The width and height also it try to fit in 100%, and this one also try to fit in where 100%. So when you scale it up, where scale it down. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you something special here. So notice something. Notice that in the example above, the image can be scaled up to be larger than its original size when we use width along with percentage. A better solution in many cases will be to use the max width property instead. So I'm going to show you how you can use the max width in our next tutorial. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day.